jam-packed today. The parking lot is crazy, inside is crazy, but the in and out is so fast. These cashiers are efficient in Costco. The problem is just getting through the parking lot. So they had a police officer like directing traffic just to get out of here. But yeah, that was a quick visit. I thought I was gonna be in there for a long time because this parking lot is full. There's people everywhere. Quick haul of items just purchased at Costco. Paper towels, bath tissue, aka toilet paper, napkins, Honey Nut Cheerios, and salmon. I also got some Christmas presents for my godkids, but I'm not going to show these until I share all the Christmas gifts that I bought this year. That's coming up. Okay, so I want to see what the Yuka app says about Honey Nut Cheerios. This is my first time buying the Cheerios since I got the app, so I want to check it out. So when you go to the app, just so you can see what it looks like, at the bottom here you just press scan, and then take the item, scan it on the barcode. It says it's bad. Honey Nut Cheerios, bad. 8 out of 100. And then you just tap this, it'll tell you why it's bad. So you tap that and it tells you the additives. Contains additives that need to be avoided. Sugar, too sweet, 12 grams. Calories, a bit too caloric. Sodium, a bit too much sodium. But it does have some positives. Excellent amount of protein, excellent amount of fiber, no saturated fat. So let's just see, what are the bad additives? More info on additives. It has tripotassium phosphate. They're saying that's dangerous. That's one of the things in it. It's an antioxidant. It says phosphates contain phosphorus, a chemical element that is essential to the body. However, according to ANSYS, our phosphorus intake is now 2 or 3 times greater than needed. Excess phosphorus may increase the risk of cardiovascular diseases, disrupt calcium metabolism and bone mineralization, and negatively affect the kidneys. So this is what I'm saying. This app is detailed. It also says it has tocopherol-rich extract. Antioxidant, it slows down the oxidation reaction of food. That's in there. It says risk-free, so I don't know what that means, but the other one, the tripotassium phosphate, says hazardous. It gives you some recommendations. So down here, it's recommending Quaker natural granola, 72 out of 100. It's recommending Heart to Heart oat cereal by Kashi. That's 100. So if you want to get some good cereal, get Kashi. Apparently it's really good. There's oats and honey granola, another 70 out of 100. They're saying that's good. They're saying this organic honey nut oat cereal is 58 out of 100, which is good. Oh, cinnamon Chex gets a 55. Not bad. Organic honey nut hoops, 61. Let's just see if anything else is like higher than 50. Okay, 3 Wishes honey gets a 90. I gotta try that Kashi. It gets 100. It's probably disgusting though. You know, cereal, if something gets 100%, it's probably gonna be horrible. Let's see what this looks like. Okay, so this is what the cereal looks like that they're saying gets 100, score of 100 on Yuka. I might have to try it. If I try it, I'll let you know. Actually, I don't know. Will I let you know? Because I'm not gonna be vlogging anymore. I'm gonna miss this. I really am. So it says it has no additives. It's organic, no synthetic herbicides. An excellent amount of protein, an excellent amount of fiber, no saturated fat, low sodium, low impact of calories, and low impact of sugar. A winner. We just gotta see what it tastes like.
3 hours later.
All right, I'm going in Bath and Body Works real fast. I gotta get the little wrapping to go around the soaps that I just purchased. They came in the mail, and I need to get the gift wrap for that. So I did say I was in the mall, right? But this mall is like one of those desolate places. As you can see, nobody's here. I'm not even sure how they stay alive, actually. Really, look, nobody's there. Nobody's there. Ooh, Charlotte Russe used to be in here, but they must have left. So, yep, time to go. Alright, I don't know if you could hear me when I was in the mall, but I was saying that I don't know how they do business, or I don't know how they stay open, I should say, because it's not busy at all. There's barely anything in there. It's a Target mall, so I feel like Target probably keeps them afloat, but it's nice to go there when you need to because it's in and out. Now I'm going to the grocery store. I was gonna wait till tomorrow, but I kind of want to make a certain thing for Christmas, technically like Christmas Eve. So for Sunday, I was gonna go to the store tomorrow, but I'm out now. Might as well do it now. Alright, so I'm back from the store and here is the grocery haul. Ritz crackers, 2 bags of Brussels sprouts, 3 bottles of ginger ale, white crayon strawberry, ocean spray juice, white crayon peach, ocean spray juice, cranberry juice, a bag of sweet potatoes, popcorners, 2 bags of organic carrots, chamomile tea, peppermint tea, a package of bacon, a young whole chicken, and 2 Cornish hens. Hey! Of course they're outside the room making a whole bunch of noise, playing music and stuff. Hopefully you can hear me. So just to give a quick recap of the day, I did do a few errands today, but I also did work. So in between the first stop when I went to Costco, I don't know if Costco is in every place, but Costco is in my area. It's a wholesale store, but I'm sure there are Costco's in multiple places. So that's what I did today. Got some gifts for my god kids. I also went to the ATM machine because I'm giving my god kids and my older son some money along with a small gift, and I'm planning on sharing all the gifts that I'm going to give tomorrow in tomorrow's vlog. So I have to warn everybody, not that my kids, yeah, my kids probably would try to watch, but I need to make sure they don't watch. But I am going to try to share the gifts that I'm giving. I also picked up my kids from school. They had a half day, and then I came home and did some more work, and then got out early from work, and then went back out to the store. That's when I went to Bath and Body Works and the grocery store. Came home, put everything away, cleaned the kitchen. ate dinner, and now we're getting ready to go to church. So I'm gonna show you what I'm wearing to church, and then I'll see you tomorrow. Oh, and this dead plant behind me, let me show you this plant real quick. It's all in the footage. So this plant, this used to be attached to this. The cat was biting it, messing with it, basically kind of eating the plant. And I came over here and I was doing something to it and it just snapped off. I don't know if the cat helped it to loosen up, but it definitely broke off, and I just stuck it down in there thinking like maybe it'll just get some new roots, but hasn't happened. So I'm pretty much gonna have to put a new plant in this pot. And here's a turtle. Just for anybody who doesn't know, I love turtles. Turtles are decorated all around my house. So here goes one, and then it has some little items inside its shell, and it just sits here.